Look at him. Robin's come to see you, Mouse. Look at that, the Robin and the Mouse. He's come to pinch a bit of your food, Mouse. Robin's back again. Who's that, man? It's only Robin. It's literally next to me. Come on, you. Off you go. I'm trying to film mice. Robin always wanting to get in on act on live video. Oh my goodness, little Lindsay, look. Look at its little face. Well, they've got a new watering can. That's a nice watering can, Mouse. Is that for your little garden? Oh my goodness. How cute's that little mouse? Well, they're everywhere today. How amazing is this?